Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable sync in Windows step by step. Sync can be useful for keeping your settings and files updated across multiple devices, but sometimes you might want to turn it off to save bandwidth, improve privacy, or prevent unwanted changes. Step 1. Open Windows Settings. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. You can also press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open settings directly. Step 2, navigate to Windows Backup. In the Settings window, click on Accounts from the left-hand menu. Now look for Windows Backup and click on it. This section controls how your system synchronizes your settings and preferences across devices. Step 3, turn off sync for Windows settings. Here you will see an option called Remember My Preferences with multiply toggle switches. These settings allow Windows to sync various preferences to your Microsoft account. To fully disable sync, turn off all options. Remember My Apps. Stop Windows from syncing installed apps across devices. Remember My Passwords prevents Windows from saving and syncing Wi-Fi passwords, websites, and add credentials. Other Windows settings. Disable sync for settings like taskbar settings, language preferences, and seam settings. Once you turn off all these options, your system will stop syncing your settings to other devices. To Step 4. Disable sync in OneDrive if applicable. If you're using OneDrive, some files might still sync even after turning off Windows Settings Sync. To disable OneDrive sync, click on OneDrive icon in the system tray bottom right corner, click on the gear icon and go to Settings. Under Sync and Backup tab, disable syncing of personal files if you don't want files to be updated across devices. If you don't use OneDrive at all, you can also disable it from starting up by going to Startup Apps in Task Manager and disabling OneDrive from the list. Step 5. Sign out of your Microsoft account. For complete privacy, you can switch to a local account instead of using a Microsoft account. To do this, open Settings and go to Accounts. Click on your info and select Sign in with the local account instead. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a local account. That's it. You have now disabled sync in Windows and prevented your settings, apps, and files from automatically syncing across devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.